In the metals quadrant today, taking a look at the December silver contract, which shot all the way up to 24.18 today, up 3.78% on the highs, finishing the day up about 1.8%. So we definitely gave quite a bit back, but still very large jump, very large positive day. On the downside, only down a little bit less than 0.2% at 23.22 for a low. Silver is working. It's early, but so far silver is working on its fifth consecutive week of higher prices. It's also up 3 of the last 5 sessions, with all 3 of those sessions being up more than 1%. One of those sessions actually being up 2.91%. So a pretty impressive 5-day stretch for the industrial / precious metal combination that silver is. The gold silver ratio, which has fallen from the September peak through most of October as silver outperforms, went from February, the low area of February, which was about 64.51, all the way up to 79.68 in September. But in the month of October, it has since fallen to about 74.62 with silver's consistent outperformance. Demonstrating that outperformance, I mentioned that silver is working on its 5th consecutive week of higher prices. Gold, 3 of the last 5, and that's only if this week finishes positive. So silver has definitely been outperforming, and part of that might be the seasonality of silver. Now again, seasonality, not a trading strategy, but there is a pretty strong tailwind of seasonality behind silver starting at the end of October, and I'd say this qualifies as us being in the end of October, and it is a holiday season driven tailwind for silver. So it goes all the way through the end of November, pauses but doesn't drop, goes down, goes sideways for a few, and then goes back up going into December. So it's a pretty strong seasonal patch. It's not going to drive silver prices up by itself, but it could be an additional tailwind for the short-term rally that we've seen.